Set up pre-arrival check-in in Softinn PMS. Hello Softinn PMS users. Check out this video to find out how to do the setup for pre-arrival check-in in Softinn PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. Click on Others tab. Setup. Design. Then, click Pre-Arrival Check-In. This is the Reservation Pre-Arrival Check-In Service setup page. On this page, you could set up the number of hours prior to the arrival of your guest for your guest to start doing pre-arrival web check-in. Next, you could set up the required documents that your guests need to submit during the pre-arrival web check-in process. Once done, click Save Changes. Note, by default, only lodge owner has the access to update the pre-arrival check-in setup. Go to Manage User in the extranet to grant this access to your hotel staffs, if needed. Go to PMS section. Go to Pre-Arrival Check-in Design and tick to grant the access. You can either tick View or Edit, or both. Once done, click Save Changes. Hope this video helps on how to do the setup for pre-arrival check-in in Softinn PMS.
Thank you for watching. My name is Erwin from Softinn Product Department. My role here is to try and improve some of Softinn's product. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.